Module 2. Why financial statements need to be analyzed before selecting any stock. There are three financial statements of the company, mainly income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement. So what is income statement? The income statement is one of a company's core financial statement that shows their profit and loss over a period of time. The profit or loss is determined by taking all revenues and subtracting all expenses. So here is the profit and loss account of the Asian Paints company. So the key learnings what we take from the profit and loss account of the company is, first one, sales. So from March 2007 to March 2018, there is increase in sales. So the sales are increasing every year, so which is positive sign for the company. So second one is the expenses. The expenses also showing an increasing trend. As the sales are increasing, the expenses also increasing. Operating profit is also in the increasing trend. So interest is little bit of fluctuating, showing some fluctuating trend. Profit before tax, it is also showing an increasing trend. Net profit is also in a increasing trend. So overall, we can say that the profit and loss account of Asian Paints company is good. Second one is the balance sheet. What is balance sheet? A balance sheet provides a picture of a company's assets and liabilities, as well as the amount owned by shareholders. A balance sheet can help you determine what a business is really worth when reviewed with other accounting records and disclosures. It can warn of many potential problems and help you to make sound investment decision. So the key learnings what we can take from the balance sheet is, first one is the share capital. The increasing share capital is not good for the company. The decreasing share capital is very good for the company. And what we are seeing in the Asian Paints company is that share capital of the company is in the constant, that is 96. So which is also a neutral figure. So we can say that it is also a positive sign for it. So next one is the reserves. So reserves are showing an increasing trend, which is a positive sign for the company. Borrowing are also showing a sign of increase. They are also in increasing trend, but they are less compared to reserves. So overall, we can say the balance sheet of the Asian Paints company is very good. So next one is the cash flow. So what is cash flow? So cash flow statement that reports the cash generated and spent during a specified period of time. The statement of cash flow acts as a bridge between income statement and balance sheet. So there are three important sections in the cash flow. First one is cash from operating activities. So first we understand what is cash from operating activities. So cash from operating activities are principal revenue producing activities of the entity. Cash flow from operations typically include cash flow associated with sales, purchase and other expenses. And what is cash from operating activities? Cash from investing activities. So cash flow from investing activities includes the acquisition and disposal of non-current assets and other investments not included in cash equivalent. Investing cash flow typically includes the cash flow associated with buying or selling of property, plant and equipments, other non-current assets and other financial assets. And what is cash from financing activities? So cash flow from financing activities are activities that result in changes in the size and composition of the equity capital or borrowing of the entity. Financing cash flow typically includes cash flow associated with borrowing and repaying of bank loan and issuing and buying back of shares. The payment of dividend is also treated as a financing cash flow. So here you need to understand, whenever the money is coming inside the company, it is a positive sign, and whenever the money is going outside the company, it is taken as a negative sign. Example, in investing activity, we are seeing a negative sign. The reason is that in investing activity, we are using the funds for purchase of property and equipment or purchase of marketable securities. So here the cash is moving out of the company. That is the reason it is shown in a negative sign. So in the financing activity, here we are paying back the long-term debt, or buying back of the, or we are taking the buyback of the shares, or we are paying the dividend to the shareholders. So here the cash is moving out of the company. That is the reason it is shown in the negative sign. So the key learning what we can take from cash flow is cash from operating activities should show an increasing trend. So here from 2007 to 2018, so cash from operating activity are showing an increasing trend, which is very positive sign for the company. So overall, we can say that the cash flow of Asian Paints company is good. So here we complete the financial. Okay. So what can the statement of cash flow tells us? So cash from operating activities can be compared to the company's net income to determine the quality of earning. If cash flow from operating activities is higher than net income, earnings are said to be of high quality. So here operating activities in 2018 is 2,103 crores and P&L net profit on that that year is 2039. So here we can say that the operating activity is higher than the net income. So the quality, the earning is said to be of high quality. Second one, this statement is useful to investors because under the notion that cash is king, it allows investors to get an overall sense of the company's cash inflow and outflow and obtain a general understanding of its overall performance. So overall, we can say that the cash flow is showing a positive trend and the cash flow of the Asian Paints company is good. So here we end up with the financial statement analysis. In next module, we're gonna cover peer comparison.